Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Smart 7 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here in this list we have to find the sound and vibration option. Now let's scroll down again a little bit to find the ringtone section. We've got two different ringtones which are connected with the incoming calls. They are divided between two different SIM cards, which simply means that you can assign totally different ringtone for the first SIM card and totally different for another one, which is quite cool. Let me show you how to do it using the first SIM card. Simply tap on this option, and here we will be transferred to this list of pre-installed ringtones from which we can choose. At the top we've got the option None, which simply means that after picking it, your device will not notify about the incoming call with the usage of the sound. So of course you will be able to see that someone's calling, however you will not hear the sound. At the bottom, on the other hand, we've got this other ringtone option, and after tapping on it, we will be transferred to our own files. So if you will have any, for example, downloaded or recorded, they will appear right there or in any other folder, and you will be able to set it as a ringtone. But let me pick something from those options, and basically if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. And let me volume it down. And basically this is how it works. So if you want to listen, just tap on it, and when you will decide that you want to set this ringtone, so let's pretend I want this one, make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify about the incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.